we going to be able to score that?
Are we doing long?
I don't know. We don't have to worry about that. We got judges doing that stuff.
Timing every burp.
You know what? We're all standing.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I think I'm winning.
We should add a category of most burps. Well, we can change it. It's still early in the game.
Nice.
Wow, it's really
Nice.
hard
I
to
think
burp.
I got one. I think I got one.
Okay, let's go, Erica.
No, it's next.
It's percolating. Percolating.
He's the winner. I'm already declaring him the winner.
What's that?
You know what? The root just
As a judge, I gotta say one thing. When a contestant said,
Oh, that was bad.
What's he getting? Mommy, what's he getting?
Oh, Kai has them out here, Beck.
What are you talking about? You burp longer than any of you burp just sitting up
I
there.
know, but I just said I haven't had enough.
There's a lot of pressure when it's on command.
wow, wow, that was,
Open it, open it.
Is that an Izzy? Where'd you get the Izzy?
You ran out of stuff.
I think Elle might throw up trying to do this.
Could I have a little bit of this, Izzy?
I'd like to.
Who knew that burping on command was
Could I
so
have a
long?
little bit, Izzy?
That was pretty good.
That was
That was like a 3-part.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
So far, I think Beck's got it.
There's a lot of categories to get, Erica.
Maybe I'm too
So,
far from the
I knew
judges.
this would happen.
Maybe when you're ready, you have to raise your hand and be like,
Can I have a sec?
Oh, that would be good to let the judges know.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I missed my best one. I think that was my best one.
Oh, this Izzy's going to produce a lot better.
I think there's some serious competition. Cohen, what do you got for us? Burping? No, you're
It's not a throw-up.
Well, that was a...
You know, we should have a vomit category too.
Yeah, productive.
I think we should make a video.
gurgliest.
I think we should make a video and we're gonna send this in to Asha and be like, see, this is what happens raw your people.
I think if you exercise, burps come out.
Okay.
I can't get them.
Wow!
That
This is why your mom left, because she knew. She knew who was winning.
Beck's definitely up.
Oh my.
I've been working on that for a long time.
Good Lord.
So Craig, Rich, you guys.
I thought it was supposed to be video in this thing.
Yeah, you're supposed to be burping and video.
Or you win. You don't get any more soda. We need
Beck's a
people who
ringer.
haven't burped need it. Come on, Beck. I need some.
Whoa. That's some length. Oh.
Little particulate matter.
Chunky.
No, apparently.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Cohen.
did it shock you?
Well, how are you doing? Coming? Yeah. Okay. Remember to raise your hand if you get their attention. How are you doing? You need me to like rub the burp up, rub it up?
I haven't gotten one either. Ooh, I got a Brenda bubble though. Do you guys know about Brenda bubbles? No.
Brenda bubbles get
You
stuck
know
in your
about
throat.
it. I had a friend I went to high school with who always kind of talked like she needed to clear her throat, so we called it a Brenda bubble. We saw Brenda at my 20th high school reunion, but we did not tell her about Brenda.
Wow.
Where is that? So, can we have that?